Hello, everyone. Welcome to part two of our Paris anniversary trip. You are here with Leisure Leaps and Luxury, and thank you for joining us.
Oh, look how beautiful it is. Wow.
Here's a tunnel that leads to the Arc de Triomphe right across the street. The anticipation I felt as we went through the tunnel to finally get close, I was so excited. This was such a wow moment for me because I always just wanted to touch it and to be up close. This was a dream come true. So I thank my wonderful hubby. I absolutely enjoyed viewing the exterior of the Arc de Triomphe. It was absolutely amazing. However, I did want to go inside too, but that ticket line had to be at least about an hour or two long. So with this knowledge, I will strongly recommend to others to pre-purchase your tickets online if you can before you arrive so you can avoid that long ticket line.
So how are you feeling right now, honey?
Oh man, I'm feeling excited. I'm here with my baby with Leisure Leaps and Luxury. We're in beautiful Paris. Bonjour.
How grand and beautiful. We're so grateful and amazed to be here at the iconic Eiffel Tower. The legendary. here. We are sitting at the little table. We have our mulled wine. All right, honey. He has his sugar crepe. And we are right underneath the Eiffel Tower.